Most people will just take a photo of a document when they want to scan it. But your Android tablet actually has a legitimate scanner built in that can scan documents and make them look like they came from an actual office scanner. There's a few different ways to use the scanner. On some tablets, you can simply open the camera app and point it to a document, and your tablet will recognize this as a document that you want to scan. You'll see a little frame appear around the document indicating where the automatic crop feature wants to crop your scan. Once you have your document aligned properly, you're not going to use the usual shutter button. Instead, you'll tap this little yellow scanner button that appears when the scanner feature is activated. This step is crucial because otherwise you'll end up with a regular photo. The scan allows you to adjust the crop points of your document or rotate it if needed, and after that your scan will be saved. The scanner feature does a pretty good job at removing shadows, automatically cropping the scan, and sort of flattening the perspective, making it look like your document was scanned in a scanner and not just quickly captured on a camera. Not every tablet will have the scanner option built into the camera app. In those cases, you can use an app like Google Drive, which has a great scanner feature. I'll open the Google Drive app, and on the bottom right corner, there's a big Scan button. First, the app wants permissions to access my camera, and after that, I'm ready to start scanning. The process is pretty much the same. Point your camera to the document, and your tablet will automatically recognize it and scan it. Don't even need to press a button here. I get a nice clean scan that I can edit and refine if needed, and I can save it or keep scanning multiple pages. Once I tap Save, I can choose where this gets saved on my Google Drive. I can give it a custom name, and I can save it as a PDF or JPEG file. After that, you'll hit Upload, and the scan gets uploaded to Google Drive. And there's my scanned document in Google Drive. I can tap the three dots to download or share this, or for example, print it. Bottom right, there's a markup tool that allows you to draw and highlight parts of your document. And that's how you scan documents on your Android tablet. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.